How to fix Messenger call not working in your Android. So if you want to fix the Messenger call not working in your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, the next thing you need to make sure is your app is up to date. So go with your Play Store and tap on search, and you need to search for Messenger. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Messenger, then tap on update and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just tap and hold on to that Messenger application. Go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you clear the cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then the last thing you need to do is just restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Messenger call not working in your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.